Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Rufus software and how to create partition and how to create a bootable device. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should open your browser and type Rufus. Okay. The first thing, this is the official website where you can download Rufus, create bootable USB drives. Okay, click on that and scroll down. Here we have different version of the software. So the latest version is this one for Windows X 64, which is 1.9 MB. Okay, click on that. It has been downloaded, as you can see. So click on that software and click yes. Do you want to allow review check application update online? Yes. Once you clicked on yes, here you have to choose your device, which is your USB flash or disk. And then after that, here you have to choose your ISO file. Click on select. Okay, and you can choose your ISO file from here and open it. Then after that, click on start. So easy. You can create a bootable device with Rufus. That's it, guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.